welcome friend. I am your friend Ali. Today I will share a story of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam with you. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe for more interesting Islamic stories. Let's start the story. Allah Almighty made Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. When he came into this world, he was given a box. He used to keep his stuff in that box. It has been mentioned in Quran as well. Allah Almighty called it Tabut-e-Sakina. This box contained the book of Allah and some stuff of the Prophet. Later, long shirt and stick of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, imama of Hazrat Ishaq alayhi salam, and the ring of Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam were also kept in it. Allah Almighty loves His Prophet and turned their things into blessed one. I hope you like the story. We will soon meet again in next video. Allah Hafiz.